Alpha Drones USA is excited to announce the solution for all of your soft washing needs. The C1 drone is faster, safer, smarter, and more affordable than your current soft washing system. The C1 drone is designed to save you time and money in washing your 2 to 8-story buildings. Whether you're window washing, cleaning graffiti, de-icing, or sanitizing your hotels, churches, apartment or office buildings, and even stadiums, Alpha Drones is prepared to get the job done quickly and efficiently so you can continue to serve your customers. Go to alphadronesusa.com to get a free quote today.